Hey, hello.
All right, Riddhi's come.
Once on the lips, forever on the hips.
So her surname comes from Kashmiri royalty.
My ancestors actually ran away from Rajasthan.
Huh?
First day of college was the floods.
That terrible day.
Yeah,
where people
2005. I started working in Zoom and he's like, do something with that face of yours. But the plan was never to come back.
Really?
I'm telling you, I went into this reality show and I'm ready to meet a psychology student and write a thesis.
So who are the friends and who are the ones who are enemies still? Why are the enemies still?
No.
We have no
One
enemies.
of my friends became my enemy.
People cried?
People cried.
Remember to keep a camera in the changing room.
No, excuse me.
Do you say your water broke? what do you? What's the line?
Girl power, girl power.
All right, Riddhi's come. She's very busy, about to dub something, right?
So busy. I'm going to dub
No,
something.
but just before we started offline, you started humming and all. That's why I wanted to begin with that.
Yeah.
What is
just
that?
Nothing. It's just me, my randomness. I sing anytime, anywhere.
That's not the dubbing that's going to happen.
No, I'm
You're dubbing
saying
like
dialogues.
dialogues.
Yeah.
I thought you're singing a song. or
No,
something.
I'm not. I don't think
So
anyone
what-
wants to
what
hear
were you
me
humming?
sing.
And do we have copyright? But you can hum. Hum
yeah.
is fine. Let's start at the beginning. We'll go through your career.
Oh.
Lots of stuff. But I want to quickly talk
Can I
about...
go through your career? Because your career has
my career.
has taken care of my childhood.
Oh, how sweet.
Yes,
Uncle
it
Cyrus, huh? Going
I
there.
did not
Yeah,
say
that's what you're
that.
trying to say, no? Okay.
Did not see that. Every day, French fries, MTV.
French fries? You?
Yeah.
Where? In the old days?
Every day.
Wow, I love French
and like
fries.
I used to sit and watch your shows.
We are very similar. I love French fries and myself. So can you imagine? Exactly the same.
Yeah, exactly.
Have we been discussing this? French fries for me is like the top. Okay, forget health and I mean, you're in the business, so I understand you can't overdo it. But how can you say no to a French fry?
You
If it
can't.
comes in front of you, the taste and the smell is just unbelievable.
I don't even think French fries is wrong.
Yeah.
I think it's perfect. It's potato, and you can now
So
air fry
it's your
it.
cheat. But does that really?
I don't think French fries is cheating,
Huh.
unless you're eating every day, which I was doing in like
Those
back in the
days.
day.
Yeah.
And then I heard a teacher, my English teacher, tell me, once on the lips, forever on the hips.
Wow.
Can you
I can
believe
think of
it?
so many other things. This teacher,
And
I
I
tell
was
you.
like, what, why is she talking like this?
Yeah. Once on the lips,
Forever on the hips.
Oops.
Who says that? But people only say stuff like that to girls.
Yeah.
You know, to
But
like.
men don't get hip fat generally.
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
more. I think it's an estrogen testosterone thing.
Yeah.
The fact that I can't say it means my test is going down. I can tell you. But
So
yeah.
I don't think like chips, your French fries are bad. I
But
think
even like
they're
a
the best.
McDonald's, those kind of French fries, if I smell it now,
Yeah.
I want to stop the car if I can.
Yeah.
Because you get the smell on the road also
Yeah.
if it's, when you're passing.
Yeah.
See, even your stylist, manager,
No. She's from my PR team.
your PR team.
Yeah.
Riddhi के पास team है IPL team, full bloody team is there. RCB 16,000 crores worth of team.
IPL team नहीं है, PR team है.
PR team है, IPR team है. हाँ. But let's talk about, we have a relationship,
Yes.
which is we both do a lot of work. In fact, she's been, I think, on, there's a thing called Iman. See, I'm a very bad host. Please jump in anytime to help.
I'm happy to, don't worry.
Huh. So I am.
I'm
you-
equally bad, so equally bad guest.
You can't first French fries. Then I mean everything can't be like that. So IMUN, which is Indian Model United Nations.
Perfect!
Yeah.
Rishabh is proud.
Rishabh has been on the show many times. So you've been supporting them right from
Yeah.
many years. It's been on for
Yeah,
10,
yeah.
15 years.
Yeah.
And we tend to hang out there because we have this event on August 15th generally
Yes.
where they do a year celebration, etc. And they've done a lot of big events, Lonavala, Ambi Valley, places where now you can't go.
Yeah.
Gateway of India we did once.
Yeah,
also,
Gateway
I
of
remember.
India, correct.
And so Riddhi's there all the time, and we tend to kill time.
Yes.
Now events are, nothing happens, and we chat a lot.
Yeah.
We constantly be people telling us to keep quiet,
Yeah.
talk softly. It's very irritating, no?
I think everything is irritating when people talk to you.
Yeah. No, that's true.
That's why you get Kunal with you, because you're like, I'll get my one person. Nobody should talk to me, and I'll only talk to you.
I'm the friendly one. I don't know what you're saying.
What do you mean?
Kunal is now, thanks to the phone, he's very happy socially because he's one of those phone social guys.
Oh.
Hello.
That's amazing.
Then he's
Even
just buried in the phone, yeah.
I completely get him. How is he? Here's a quick
fact, you
Kunal
talk a lot.
story. I talk a lot.
Yeah, so we talk
That's
a lot.
my defense.
So you can
like,
hear
I'm
only our
just like,
voices. Yeah, I know, we're chat. So we're
Yeah,
just chatting about
yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
And then I think last time I
And
was...
suddenly I run out of randomness, and then I'm like, okay, now you need
No,
to
you never
shut
ran out.
up.
They tell us to shut
They
up. I have
they
so
tell
many
us.
memories of them saying, and they tell me because they're scared to tell you. First they'll say nicely. They call you sir and words like that. Sir, please, sir. Chalu hai. All that, usual thing.
But it's too
And then
much fun.
It's too much fun.
Yeah.
And how can you keep quiet? It's so boring sometimes. These
It's
events.
boring and-
It's boring sometimes.
Yeah, and also we have so many children. There are so many kids, so their energy sort of
Yeah,
rubs
yeah.
off on you, and you want to like just build your energy up
True.
because you're just coming from a.
We don't have kids together. So let's just clear. I don't know what she's saying. We have so many kids. I have 2 kids.
In the auditorium,
in the auditorium
of this event.
So they're not kids. They're about 17 onwards, like 17 to 20.
Yeah, they are
21,
not
22.
kids. Yeah, they're
yeah.
young adults.
And so the last time we were, where were we?
We were somewhere in
Location?
town, I
Dadar
think.
or something?
Yeah, somewhere
Sion?
in Dadar.
Sion?
I have no clue.
Yeah, it was an odd place to go to because it took a
Yes.
long time for us to come back to South Bombay. Because
And
none
I
of these
went.
coastal
I went to
roads.
the other side. I went
So
to.
both ways. So this is the problem if you're a Mumbaiker. There's some roads where there's no hope, like Parel, Sion. Once you're there, you just think of your parents,
Oh my god.
miss your family. That kind
I
of
come from Delhi into Bombay, and I think of
thing.
family,
Why-
and I think of.
Please, Delhiites, why do you leave Delhi?
I don't know.
I'm a big Delhi fan. You've got big roads.
Yeah, I
Your
agree.
VIP culture is not as bad as ours. It used to be the worst, but now it's not as bad as ours.
I agree. I left Delhi, I came to Bombay, and I went back, and they had developed Delhi because of Commonwealth.
Correct.
And I was like, what the hell?
Yeah.
Now this city is looking so good. This is not cool, but it's not safe.
Also,
So-
houses.
Yeah.
The middle class Delhi guy has got this huge bagicha with a dog called Poo and everything.
True.
And we've got our uncles are sitting on,
Matchbox.
the relatives are mating on your shoulders. Because how do you produce so many children? It happens. I remember this friend of mine, Samant, who used to work with us, not very rich. He used to say, my parents are making love. I have to, it's embarrassing. Bro, look, this is the...
I have to step out of the house.
No, there's no step out.
Oh, there's no step
you
out.
have to suddenly show interest in your own self. Like, look away or whatever.
Yes.
This is called majboori,
I
guys.
don't
This is
know.
not... We're
Yeah,
not
it's
trying to be funny.
majboori,
It's just
only
pure
majboori,
majboori.
yeah.
Like, you're stuck.
Yeah, you're stuck.
And obviously, they couldn't keep their hands off each other. Beautiful Indian men are. So how can you blame that woman? I mean, she must have gone pissed. I'm so lucky to have Presh. Presh is so beautiful. And then, next thing you know, yeah,
You're
Presh
just
is...
going to keep making me laugh. I don't know
made me
what to say.
No, but you know what we talked about the last time? I was just thinking while driving here. We talked about the surname, the Dogra surname, and
Yes.
the royalty connect.
Correct.
And then you were being so bashful about it. And then me and Kunal Googled it on the drive back.
Yes. Oh, you did?
Yeah. So there's a lot of... let me now set it up. So her surname comes from some sort of Kashmiri royalty.
Yeah, I mean, you tell me more about it.
It said that.
Okay.
Now, the only thing is, are you really that? As in,
Okay.
because the surname is that.
Right.
Clearly, the people taking Dogra surname have some linkage to the royal
Yes.
or a royal
So
family.
then it has to be me because
Yeah.
we've not taken it. It's there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, why would you just change your
Take-
surname in 1959 to Dogra?
It's
and all?
possible, but it's very funny. My ancestors actually ran away from Rajasthan.
Huh?
Yeah, like long
Doga?
ago, because someone was coming in to convert people.
Oh.
So they just let's get out of here.
So they landed up in Kashmir.
Yes, they ran so much. That's what I feel.
And you went from
I feel like
Rajasthan ki,
they were really scared, man.
the garmi of Rajasthan
Yeah.
to the thund of Srinagar.
Yeah. Srinagar, they went to Jammu.
Jammu.
They didn't
But
go
Jammu's
up
also
to,
cold, no?
Yeah.
Huh.
But I find it hilarious.
How many years back would that have been?
I don't know.
So then-
Another era.
So were they royalty in Rajasthan?
So that
So
bit
you
now I
maybe
have
your
to.
Rajputs who went...
I'm not
the
done
Rajputs-
laughing on that yet
Oh,
with my
okay.
family, but I have to get to that. That okay, what were they once like when we were in Rajasthan? I don't know that yet.
So then
I
your
have to
real
figure
name
out.
is Devra. Because that's a Maru name. That's a proper Maru name, like Milan Devra. So you're
No,
Devra,
no,
then you
I'm
went
not
and became
Devra.
Dogra. I am Nawab now. Yeah.
We were Brahmins, are Brahmins, so
Yeah.
whatever. My God, this is
What
getting
are
too
our
like.
Brahmins?
We are Brahmins. You know.
As in Brahmins. You're a special Brahmin?
So it could be no.
Huh.
We are Brahmins, and it could be that you could be a Sharma or whatever. So a lot
Right.
of people in my family are Sharmas,
Right.
and most
do you
of
become
us.
Dogra?
Yeah, so I'll find out.
So you don't know.
I don't know.
After that conversation in Sion, when
You had that
I
conversation
was
in the
just at
car,
place-
and you
see,
did
link-
the searching,
Please Google it
not
yourself.
me.
You Google. People can Google it. Don't watch the show. Google it and come back. Put it on pause. See, I'm just asking one thing. So you are supposed to be royalty from Kashmir,
Yes,
Jammu, for
yes.
sure, right?
I mean,
But
you're
you're-
telling me this.
But that's what it says.
Okay,
One
great.
second, you also, that's what you said before we Googled.
I did?
Yeah.
I was bashful about that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
then I've also been
do
told
you
by
have-
people who have done research, who have read books, who have
That's
like
what,
yes,
no?
yes.
Google is authentic
Yeah,
for the
yeah.
most part.
I mean, I was talking about people who read books.
Before Google.
Yeah, before Google.
Yeah.
You know, we have another thing in common.
What?
I also did a reality show.
Oh, you did many?
No,
you done
I've
Nach
done
Baliye?
just one.
Nach
Like a
Baliye?
captive
50?
reality
50?
show. Yeah,
1 second.
just one.
Nach Baliye?
Naturally, it's not a reality show.
Of course,
You
it's a reality
shoot for
show.
12 hours and you go home.
Oh, that way, like that you're calling it.
Yeah.
No, but it's a reality show. Now it's a contest. Okay,
I
chal,
mean-
theek hai. That's a sport. Nach Baliye is a sport.
I mean, you're meeting other people, you're meeting
Yeah.
human
You're
beings,
going
you're
home.
doing.
You're going home is a
you're
huge-
going
yeah,
home.
home
You
is
have
home.
your phone, you can
Yeah.
like talk
50
to 10
you couldn't
people.
go home, right?
You couldn't, it's captive. So I was thinking today that, my God, Cyrus has also done a reality
Yeah,
show.
just,
And I was like, I think like you only. I was in some sort of a social experiment.
so,
So I want to ask you now,
Go
my
ahead.
God, how did you do it?
no, I did it for financial reasons
Me
because they
too.
canceled my show. So I had no, what could I do? So because every year they would ask us for the last 10 years because they have a whole book of losers and they say, okay, loser, I'm available, hai? I'm like, no, I'm not available, bro. I'm not a loser. I still have hope. And finally you feel like a loser, you say, okay, chalo, I'll take the phone. And my good friend Vijay Kar, when they asked him, he gave a reply which I think the production just put the phone down out of fear. So he said, sir, the commitment is at least 21 days minimum you will be there and no phone and no contact with outside society and all that. So he said, okay, what about food? Will it veg or non-veg? Oh, sir, wo pata nahi. She said, pata nahi. How can you make me sleep for 21 days not to know food is there? It's a very fair question.
This is for Big Boss?
Yeah, for Big Boss. And even I had the same thing because I remember all these questions. I remember speaking to my mentor, Sajid Khan, don't say anything.
Okay.
And he had been on the show.
Great.
And he was telling me, don't worry, they'll get you this and they'll
He
get you
went
that.
before you or after
The
you?
year before.
Oh, okay.
And he said they'll figure out food for you and all that. Because I got very
What
bad.
is this, guys?
I'm also
Figuring
like
out food
royalty
for
of
you?
Jammu.
Yeah.
I want my food, yeah.
Royalty of where do you stay?
Malabar Hill.
Yeah, royalty of Malabar.
Chief Minister
Hill.
सामने उसका छोटा घर है. We are on the side. But yeah, so that was because I was always worried about the food.
But we had great food in this show
No,
that
what is
we
great
did.
food? Great food is subjective.
Chef, we had a chef who was taking our
In
like
the
what do
50.
you, what do you want to
Oh, you're
eat?
a chef.
Yeah.
And no.
So we had great food, and the first thing I asked her, I said, I hope I don't have to clean bathrooms. I don't have to take care of my room. I don't have to do anything. So none of that was there.
Then
We
what's the
had
fun,
housekeeping. We had like everything.
So you're like in a 5-star hotel.
That's right.
Then I could do this show.
Yes, you can.
I mean,
And it's
Indian
a shorter
male.
duration.
हाँ, so Indian male we can pull this off easily. कुछ नहीं करने का.
By
क्या
saying
काम है, कुछ
Indian
काम नहीं है.
male, you have completely, yeah, because
I'm telling
it is
you.
quite misogynist.
It's very misogynistic.
Misogynist.
Yeah,
The show
it is.
was-
It is.
it was-
Yeah. But even here, there were a lot of chauvinistic or whatever the word is moments in the show. You could tell. Thank God, huge female fan after that show. Honestly, without the women, I'd have died. They realized I was a complete dope. So all of them looked after me. Gia and all were much younger. They were treating me like their son.
I also loved you. I was like, oh my God,
They're so
he
sweet.
is so like bored. He
No,
just
they would give
wants
me
to
their
do
eggs.
his workout
Yeah.
and get his protein.
They would give me their eggs, which sounds wrong to say, but they would sacrifice because they were giving 2 eggs per person, and I would be counting my eggs from all the girls. Okay, ladies, eggs de do, eggs de do. Not in that way, but
Oh
yeah.
my God.
They're so sweet. So they really looked after me. They cooked.
Yeah.
I couldn't cook a thing.
Yeah.
I look at their kitchen. I don't know where to start. There's a Jad who's from Lebanon. Not having a great time right now, but he's okay. He's in the Gulf. He's also not having a great time. So Western men or whatever you want to call them, they can cook and all. They make us look so bad.
Yeah, they generally are.
They're just all-rounders.
They don't feel that they're only men. They are
they just-
people. They're human
Exactly,
beings.
and they come from a culture where their fathers or whatever were just, they all
doing things.
The kitchen is a place to be and all
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
We are looking, me and a couple of the other boys are looking at the place thinking कि पहले बार आ गया, वो क्या है? इसको touch करो क्या होगा? I didn't know anything about an oven, man. I had no idea.
What are you saying?
I've
Don't
never
say
really
these things.
It was
But
my
it's okay,
mother's
you've
fault.
said enough,
It's my
yeah.
mother's fault.
You've said enough.
I
but
blame the
till
women.
now.
Yeah.
It's your mother's fault.
So
of
what
course.
tell us in your show. So
It
if there's
was-
none of this work to do, then then you just fight.
No, we were actually playing a game. So every day we are playing games. That
Yeah.
was really exciting to me.
Yeah.
I thought we'll have fun. The games were like, what are those Asian shows where people are doing things?
The
are
physical
those
things.
games? Haan,
Physical
haan.
games. I know what you're saying.
Yeah, like Squid Games.
Huh.
Something.
Squid Games is little. People
Yeah.
die.
Yeah, so we were not dying, but every day one person was getting eliminated.
You should have killed them. The show would have gone through the roof. Yeah. Can you imagine?
I know, right? So first 3-4 days people were fighting.
So every day one person goes.
Yeah.
That's why 50 is a huge number here.
Yeah,
Huh.
and it's a great concept.
Yeah.
But like crazy. It was crazy.
So then you're playing the game like a sport only, and then whoever loses or whoever does
yeah,
the
goes into like
who decides
the
that?
bottom zone. We decided. So it's internal
So
voting.
that's very political then, no?
Oh, it was so political.
Yeah.
It was so male centric. It was so chauvinistic. People actually used to talk like, "Ladkiya tum le lo." Like, and I was like,
What?
Yeah. They used to talk like that, and I was there really like. I'm in a social experiment. I had not attached myself to anything, so I was truly enjoying myself. Ki, how do people react? How do they talk? What's happening? And it was such a reflection of society. The way they were saying, "Teen ladkiyan tum le lo, do tum le lo," and I was like,
This language is also not correct.
It's
nowadays to
not.
use, yeah.
and then the girls suddenly were like, "We need girl power, and we want to be a gang." And it was like, it was interesting. It was a social experiment.
But did you obviously you formed groups and all, no?
Yeah, I
How
mean,
do you survive?
I formed genuine friendships.
You think?
Yeah. I mean, I'm still friends with them. Of course, you get to know people much more when you're outside and all that. But I just two people I made friends with.
That's quite a big number at my age. I
Yes,
also,
it is for me also.
after they came out, everybody tried to stay in touch for 2 weeks. But because of the suburbs, South Bombay thing, they were even willing to come. We'll come to Bombay Gym and meet you. I was panicking. I was very scared.
Yeah.
Very
Do you have a
worried.
WhatsApp group where everybody?
They were for a little while, but I slowly got out of
like
everything.
my
I'm
Khatro
too
Ke
old.
Khiladi group, we are still on the WhatsApp. We genuinely became friends.
Yeah. Khatro Ke- but now that's a reality show. I also did that.
Yeah? You did it?
Yeah, I did that in Brazil.
How was it?
For me, great fun.
Yeah, it was great.
Because I'm a huge cricket buff, and Bishan Singh Bedi's son, also known as Angad,
Yeah,
he was there. So we just bonded completely. Rahul Bose, Shabir
nice.
Ahluwalia, whose
Nice.
real name is Sebastian. I mean, I had so much fun, and
Yeah.
I was drinking then. Yeah, it's much easier.
Yeah, and see,
Yeah.
you have freedom. You
Freedom.
can do whatever you want.
But they were all nice guys. It was great fun. There was no. Only Milind Soman disappeared.
He must be
He just disappeared.
getting someone to do
No,
push-ups.
he got out in the first round. By the way, he's a national champion breaststroke swimmer. I'm also a trained swimmer, and we used to train together in YMCA. But he's much older. So the first thing was in the water. We had to go underwater and open locks. Okay, and the two best swimmers, him and me, we were the ones who couldn't do it. Well,
What are you saying?
I could do it because I have motor skills.
I also had that stunt
I
of
can't
going
go-
underwater and opening
I
locks.
don't like peeing in public because I can't open my pant properly. It takes me a long time and everybody's wondering what's going on with this guy. So I just have very bad fingers.
Butterfingers.
I won't tell you about other things. It's not something we should discuss. But yeah, he couldn't do it. And in spite of being this national level champion, not level, and then he disappeared in Brazil.
What do you mean he
His phone was
disappeared?
off. We don't know where he went.
He left the show.
We thought he had been kidnapped
Kidnapped
because
or
there's stories in
something.
South America, drug runners and all
Yeah.
that. He's a good-looking guy, and also some drug runners' wife
Where
who
did
said
he go
like this
but?
guy. He then surfaced after 10 days. He had gone wandering on his own.
What?
Because instead of going back to Bombay, he had to wait for the fourth round or something, if I
Ah.
remember correctly. So he went wandering on his own, on his
Nice.
own budget. What kind of Mumbaikar does that? Impossible. I refused
He must
to.
be walking everywhere.
I used to eat in Rahul Bose's room because he would sign then for dinner, just in case they charge us. I thought it all through, bro. But they weren't clear about all these things.
Yeah, you have to be. That's true. That's
And
true.
Priyanka Chopra was the host,
Oh, you guys had. Oh.
and she was so bad in the sense she was nice, but she was so bad with food. She would say, no, I don't want to eat anything. I don't want to eat anything. Watching the figure and all this nonsense. And we were all eating. She'd come and take one bite and actually eat more than everybody else. I hate that about people. You know people that do that? You do that?
Yeah, I do
Mujhe
that.
nahi chahiye, mujhe- not for me. I'm being very careful with carbs. And the next thing you know, kachak. And then the next round.
That's the
kachak.
best way
And
to
then
eat your
we are all
food.
we are all eating like this when she's hovering around. I can't believe. How do they keep their figures?
That's you basically telling your body, don't. I didn't eat anything.
Such a liar.
Yeah, exactly.
And then first we feel bad for her. Come on, Priyanka, kuch to le lo. Come on, have something and all. I was by then convinced it was free. So, that's why otherwise I would have offered.
Yeah, even we had great food. We had Rohit
Where were
Shetty.
you? Which,
we were in South Africa, Cape
lovely,
Town.
lovely.
It was lovely.
Yeah.
And a great bunch of people. There was Ashish Chaudhary, Hussain.
Yeah.
There was Sagarika Ghatke. Fun
nice.
people, yeah. Fun bunch. We had
Yeah.
like a lot of... Sana, who is now... Sana
Become a Namazi and all
Khan,
that. Yeah.
She taught me makeup and she taught me a lot of great stuff in that trip of now different person. But I remember the last day when Sana was talking to me, she was actually like, I was like, I'm done. I'm out of the show. I'm done. I'm bored. And it was the elimination round and the team was like, no, Riddhi, you can't. We planned for someone else to go out. You can't talk like this. And I'm like, no, I'm bored now. I think I'm done. You guys are unfair. Something had happened. And she was actually quoting the Quran the whole time and telling me, no, listen to the story. This is-"
motivation.
Yeah, so it completely like adds up.
So
you know?
who did better?
Who did better?
You reached what round?
I was there till the 14th episode.
Oh,
so
that's
whatever that is.
damn good, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could have stayed more, but I was like really done.
But what was the task that you didn't do well in the end?
The last task, it was I was in a coffin, like a transparent whatever box. And
Claustrophobia
there was,
thing.
No,
Then?
I was just like done.
But what were you doing in there? What's the
Mentally
task?
done.
Task kya tha?
The snakes on top of
I
me.
did the snakes.
Yeah.
No problem.
Snakes till my upper body and then cockroaches on my legs. And then I have to
First
put
few
something.
seconds, but then you get over it, no?
No. I actually just was like, I'm out.
Yeah.
So in my head, I'm like, I'm not going to do it. And Rohit sir is like, Riddhi, हमने time बढ़ा दिया है since I was the first one to go. No 3 minutes, now 5 minutes. And I'm like, I'm done.
This is why, if you were born in some cultures like parts of China, you'd have eaten the snakes and the cockroach.
Exactly.
And they open the thing. Kya ho gaya? All gone. Yeah.
But yeah, it was fine. It was the thing was fine, but I was just out. Like mentally, I was like, I'm out.
Also, there's some people who are very competitive, and you can see that.
Yeah.
And there's some people who are more chilled out, or are they acting? Who knows? You can't say.
Actually, I think Ashish was extremely competitive. He won. He didn't want to go into the bottom ever because he said that I have a phobia of animals. So if I go into the
How will he
elimination
win? There'll be
round,
some animal.
exactly, he never went into the bottom because
he
he
never-
said if I go in bottom, I'm out.
But he never got to do anything with animals.
Nothing. And
Really?
he's like, I'm not going to tell these guys because if I tell the team, they're going to make sure that I get into one of those. But he didn't. He managed to stay out. and
Ashish
he
won all the big tasks and all that, but
Yeah.
if I brought a kitten and put it on his lap, he'd have just fainted. Can you imagine? This is
I
unfair.
don't think they're bringing a
Recall.
kitten.
Recall.
A cub, yes. They brought
Yeah.
a cub.
Yeah. But how big is the cub?
It was tied to me and there was meat and in front of me and all that. It was quite
So
dramatic.
what? It won't go for you. I mean, they
yeah.
like a
The
lion
idea
lion
is-
cub.
Yeah, lion cub.
How big?
It was as big as a full-grown lab. Yeah.
Well, that's a pretty big looking.
Yeah.
So he could have sort of hurt you a little bit.
Could have.
So what
if
did
he
you-
wanted the meat and I was too close to the meat,
So
he could have.
where's the
because
meat?
it was a baby.
Where's the meat?
The meat is also hanging off you.
Oh, it's
so
on your body?
yeah. So you have to run so fast that the meat goes behind so that he can grab it and the cub doesn't pull you back and you can make it to the finish
What if
line.
the cub is from Gurgaon? He said, fuck the meat. मुझे लड़के चाहिए. Huh? Gurgaon lions are
My
very different.
God, that's why animals are better than men. You know.
Your thing is you just shout, Ashish! Distraction. Yeah. That sounds a little scary, huh?
Yeah, it was scary. But we even had hyenas, I think. No, we didn't have hyenas.
Hyenas can't be trained really.
Yeah,
It's be tough.
hyenas
I think
can't be
lions at
trained.
least they'd be lions are very social from what I
Yeah, they're
remember.
social.
Out of the cats, they're the safest in the
Yeah.
sense there's a good chance they won't attack you.
They're like cats only. I had
They
one
are.
thing where I had to separate mice also. Black and white mice. It was quite funny. With
Racism
scorpions.
in mice?
Yeah, with scorpions on my head.
Mice can't live together. Scorpions on your head.
Yeah.
Wow.
That was fun.
Bro, you've done lots of tough things.
Yeah.
You're the man in our relationship already. I can tell you. मैंने क्या किया?
क्या
मैं
किया?
I was
Tell me
hanging from a
some-
helicopter and all that. Things
That's
like that.
not bad.
No, it's not. It's difficult for 5 seconds because the wind is hitting you. Then
Yeah.
you get used
Then
to it. Your
you're
fear
like, "Ah,
factor
this
goes
is fun."
Then you start getting cocky, like I'll do a little ballet, little Shamak Davar. Oh, by the way, you were Shamak Davar.
Yes.
You're going
5,
through your
6,
bio.
7, 8.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think of the tights that the men wear?
They are great if they're dancing.
I don't know.
They should just keep moving.
I
They
don't-
should not.
You're right. You're right because
sit or
Tata. I
stand.
speak from Mumbai point of view. South Mumbai Tata Theatre. You're sitting there. They're very close to you when they're dancing. Those tights, and when they pause and take
Leotards.
What's it? Take a pose or whatever
Yeah,
it's called.
yeah,
You do that. Yeah.
yeah.
The men can.
They're
scare you.
leotards.
They're
Don't
very-
call them tights. Dancers.
we'll have to take a break with you, but let's go back to your career for a second. We just talked
yeah.
nonsense
Yeah.
so
That's
far.
great. I like that.
From the beginning, because you're a
Psychology
major.
major graduation in psychology. Then I did mass comm.
So Masscom. So this is Delhi.
Mass comm I did in Bombay. My
Oh, so you didn't come here to become an actress. You
No, I came to study. I basically came here to get out of Delhi because
Right.
I was figuring Delhi is a bit unsafe. And as I was, you want to
What
like.
is that fair to say? Really?
I mean, I'll tell you what I mean when I say it's unsafe is that you.
Certain areas in every city are bad at late night.
Yeah, but like if I have to go with my driver and my car and my phone always and tell my parents where I am and who are the 4 friends you're with, it's too much when you're growing up. Like when
And
you're
this is
like
breakfast.
wanting to explore. Yeah, it could be anything. You just have to it was getting in the way of like me being like, I want to do my own thing.
Yeah.
I don't want to tell you what I'm doing, even though I will tell you what I'm doing. But I was very responsible.
You
as
didn't
a
want to be an
kid.
actress and all at this
No.
point. Yeah.
I didn't. So I came to Bombay and I was like, find a way to.
Where did you stay?
I have family here.
Oh, I forgot. She's connected. We'll come to that. No, that's huge. Now having some place to go to. Many people come to Mumbai. The first thing to do is where to stay.
No, I decided on Bombay because I had family
had some
here.
place to stay,
That's
yeah.
why I was like, I can get out
So-
of Delhi
so where
because
was
my
that?
dad will not be.
So which part of Bombay were you?
I had my bua. She stays in Pedder Road, and my Masi stays in Oshiwara. So
Okay,
I was
wow.
in Oshiwara.
That's two different worlds. though.
Yes, two
Yeah.
different worlds. So I had the
Oshiwara
best.
better for if you're getting to modeling and acting. Huh.
I think so, but I think I was closer to my cousins and everything. So we were just like, for 5 years I stayed with them.
Are you
And
upset
we
the
just-
Bua in Pedder Road? Because
She'll
you've said
understand.
this forever.
She'll
You'll
understand.
stay.
She knows it. She'll just be like,
Sorry
you
about
come
that.
here, I will
I'm
do
a
your
Pedder Road
pitai.
fan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've stayed with her also when I was working.
Never again.
I was working in Zoom Television, which was in Kamla Mills.
Yeah.
I was.
We saw that. So while you were doing the BCom,
I was doing mass comm.
Sorry, mass comm. It's been many years since I did any degree. I have one BA. Yeah.
So yeah, I was doing mass comm,
Yeah.
studying, and I was in Bandra. My first day of college was the floods.
The July flood.
Yeah.
That terrible day
Yeah,
where people.
2005.
I was in Chennai. Oof.
Oh.
How did you manage? What a horrible way to enter the city.
It was pathetic.
Huh.
I went to study.
Where were you?
I was in Bandra. You know that
Which part? Where?
Candies,
Yeah,
Candies?
of course.
You know the IES building?
Yeah, of course.
That's where my...
You were
my-
that? Okay.
Yes, I was
It's a
there.
nice lane though.
Yeah, it's a lovely
So then
lane.
you were inside when this flooding started.
Yeah,
And
so
then
we
how did
were
you
just
get out?
waiting for our professors, whoever has to come in. Nobody came in, of
They
course.
were drowning, of
Yeah,
course.
they were drowning. And
Yeah.
they're like, your teachers have not come in, take the books and go home. And I was like, oh my God, first day is so easy. This is like the life. And suddenly I made a friend. Like suddenly one girl came up to me who's like my first friend in Bombay. And she's like, you walk with me. And weirdly, she also stayed in Oshiwara.
Huh.
So she has actually navigated the whole road. She's like, we'll take
But
an
how
auto
bad was it
from
when
here.
you came out? Was the water had come
It was
up?
bad.
Okay.
Yeah, water had come up,
Yeah.
and my friend was trying to be like, "Don't worry, I know the way. I
I-
will go from Carter Road.
Apna ilaka."
I know the way. I will go from Linking Road." Suddenly, we've gone from auto to bus to we are seeing. I think we saw Kunal Kohli walking, and we're like
He's looking for funding. that wasn't the
in
rain.
water, and we're like, I think we have to walk now.
Yeah.
I don't think we can stay. And that's
You weren't
when-
getting the reports on your phone or whatever?
Phones were off.
Oh,
Our
right.
phones were not working. They were jammed. I think she had a Geo phone at that time, Reliance.
Jio.
So that was working. But we were just like, so 5 hours we walked.
Wow.
And she was telling me, in every lane, she's telling me, don't go there. There's a gadda over there. Walk this side.
How will she know?
She knows because she's driving. She's a
Yeah.
Bombay kid.
Yeah.
Grown up
So
here.
where did you land up in the end?
We reached home at 10:30
By
in the
feet?
night.
By foot?
By foot.
Wow.
Yeah. Made human chain because
So
at
you're
one
a
point...
tough Delhi girl who decided, chalo, let me bring Delhi to Mumbai.
Yeah.
You come
At first day of college, and I'm holding my books. The whole time I'm holding my books with an umbrella.
How sweet.
And there are people crossing me and saying, "Ma'am, you are fully drenched. Do you want
They
to?"
were calling you ma'am when you were a young girl?
I mean, whatever they were saying now.
Were they like really small guys?
I don't know. I don't remember now. But whatever they were calling me, Didi or hey, hello, something like that.
No,
no, that's Delhi.
that's later. That's Delhi.
That's Delhi.
That's
not
cousins.
Bombay.
Yeah, that's Bombay, Baba. Bombay, you'll hear
Now I
these
don't
horrible
step out
sounds.
so much,
You
so I
don't take
don't know.
locals. You'll hear these sounds if you take the locals all the time.
I used to take locals back then. Yeah.
You did? Okay. We'll take a break, then we'll come back and talk
talk
about the
about
journey
it. Okay.
going forward.
Going
She
into the
survived the
local.
Mumbai rains. She's
Mumbai
here to tell-
flood.
Mumbai floods. Yeah, not rains. Mumbai
Yeah,
floods.
yeah.
I was in Chennai.
Yeah. Wow.
But I couldn't get a plane back. I mean, they shut the
you-
airport and all that.
Weren't you happy? You happier?
I was so
Chennai?
happy when I saw the news later in the evening because I didn't realize how bad it was. My mom was telling me, but she was also stuck at home.
Yeah.
So, only people who were out. My friend Kunal,
Yeah.
who's never walked in his life, he had a similar story. And the worst part is he was just outside Siddhivinayak. So
Oh.
his whole thought was that at least, if I'm dying, the mandir will be in my head as I drown or whatever. Yeah.
Not dramatic.
It's like a
at all.
Manmohan Desai film.
Yeah.
Something bells are going on
Like-
in the background. Yeah. Ma!
Mane,
Clap, clap,
Ganpati,
clap.
Ganpati.
Yeah.
Ganpati.
Last visual. Taking a break. Yeah.
I'm not the problem on this podcast.
Welcome to Cinephile,
Cinephile.
where we talk about all things cinema.
Vivek was doing a very good job at that time and not Masti 4.
In the start,
Yes.
Shahid Kapoor's wearing a condom
Yes.
on his head
Yes.
and then finds out that Priyanka Chopra is pregnant.
He's so harami, yaar.
Please don't use that as a verb.
Beedi chalai le.
That's the best song in the world.
It's the best song in the world.
But wake ups with people don't like.
What? Are you mad? You have no taste. Who are we?
We are Shrimi and Karan.
I am popular on Instagram.
I'm also popular on
No.
Twitter.
Farooq, if you're seeing this, call me.
She
All
was
right.
there with
Back here, we're discussing relatives and friends we know. Baman's daughter-in-law, Rhea
Baman's,
Irani, was
yeah.
with you in class.
Yeah, not
that
in
time.
class. She was one of
Faculty?
The, she was faculty.
Oh,
She was
okay.
like one of the people taking care of the courses and everything.
The mass comm course that she did, you
Yes.
completed it or you moved out?
Of course, I completed it. I got a job. I got an internship at Zoom Television.
Wow.
Great internship. And then I went into.
So what were you doing at Zoom? You were the producer.
I came in the events division. You know, they had this
Yeah.
AFP property. You know, all that.
Times of India has all kinds of event
Yeah.
things.
They want everyone's money.
Yeah.
So they were like, how do we get everyone's money? AFP and events, and let's open everything.
So you were there like a salesperson.
I was there. Yeah, I would say I was developing events, and then my boss.
So there was no plan to be in front of the camera or
No.
all that. You were completely like, I'll be a
Yeah.
develop events and whatever.
Yeah. I liked events because I was dancing with Shamak, so I
Yeah.
thought stage is great. I love it. I love everything that happens on stage. This is where I want to be. And I started working in Zoom, and then I got into programming because I gave a concept for something, for some brand, and I
So
remember.
quite multi-talented.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, very interesting. All this, not to mention dancing. I know Nach Bali and all is out there, but then
Yeah.
you'd think that because you're in the business, you learn how to dance.
No,
But you're
I
like a
just-
trained Shamak Dawar,
Yes.
which was big in Delhi also.
Yeah,
Yeah,
very
all
big.
the classes.
He told me in Delhi, I remember I was sitting on the floor eating food, and he's like, do something with that face of yours. And I'm like, I thought something's wrong with my
But
face.
he was being complimentary, but he talks like that, so you don't know what he's saying.
Yeah. So that was
He's actually telling you you're pretty, and this is
Yeah.
how he came out. Yeah.
Darling, you should do something with that
Yeah.
face of
The
yours.
darling in the hand movement is right on. That's Shamak. That's right. Yeah.
And I'm thinking, what did I do something wrong? Is there food on my face? So
But
anyway.
I can't believe nobody ever told you what you model and all that.
No.
Growing up, nobody was.
Yeah, people did, but I think when you're in Delhi and you're in that circle, that was not my life. That
Yeah.
was not. So nobody spoke like that you should do this. Everyone was more about like, what are you going to do with your life?
But you had no idea in your head to be an actress.
No.
Wow.
No.
Okay, so then Zoom programming. So then you started
Yeah.
moving into the actual production of a show.
Yeah.
Which
then
show was
I,
it?
Then I did reality shows. I did this show called Banungi Main Miss India, where they went backstage
Yeah.
with Miss India.
Correct.
And I was one of the kids who was handling all the contestants. I did another show.
Wow, bro. So you're from the other side.
Yes.
So that's why you're so well behaved.
Yes.
Yeah, because you know what it's like to be on the
I-
other side.
I
So you
know
have a
what
little
it's-
empathy level for once you became a star. Yeah. I think a lot of people would change if they could be on the other side first.
Yes.
And then, get into
I
it.
actually remember my first day of
Baman,
shoot.
you mentioned Baman off camera. He's like that.
Yeah.
He was a photographer
Because
first.
he was a
so you
photographer.
could understand
Absolutely.
what's like. Huh,
Yeah,
sorry, you were
yeah.
saying?
The first time I started acting, I remember I was on a set and I had just come off Zoom television and production and all of that. I actually was helping the lightmen. I started helping them. I was like, kya karna hai, kaise karna hai? And they're like, ma'am, aap wahan baithiye. You don't do any work.
You were on the set as a
I was
producer.
an actor.
Oh, as an actor.
When I started acting, my first few days
So
of...
how did you get the first acting thing?
I did some I saved money for my promo team in Zoom Television. They wanted some model to do some thing.
Oh, that's how. Somebody said, boss, we need a model.
Yeah. Is anybody free? And I was a kid. I was like, we'll go home so early. Let's miss all the traffic and go at 10 o'clock at night. This is fun. Let's do this. So I shot with them. That sort of got circulated. Somebody
was that,
saw
an ad?
it. Yeah, it's an ad.
Do you remember?
Of course, I have it. I posted it sometime
Post
back.
it, give it to us to see, show. No?
Yeah. I'll show you. You
is
want
the
to see it
brand?
right now?
Yeah, I want to see it.
Oh, okay. Give me my phone. It was
Can
a
you play it?
Sunsilk ad. They actually, it's
nice.
so funny. They wanted Jacqueline Fernandez.
Was
At
she
that
like a
time,
big
she was a
star?
model. No, she was a model, but she also said no to them because they were not paying her.
Fair.
So they're like, anybody else? And I was like, I'll do it.
Wow. That's
Yeah.
amazing. Normally they go through all these casting things and calls and up and down.
And this was
it's
just
very-
like people popping up from
Yeah.
their cubicles and like, "Arey yaar, koi hai kya?"
This is like the real Bollywood dream.
Okay.
I'll do it. Next thing, shampoo ad. Next thing, film. Next thing, what's?
Here, one second. I was a kid. Yeah, there you
You're having fun.
go. Yeah.
But you seem to be having a great time.
Yeah, because this is our office bathroom.
And also because they didn't pay you, no?
Yeah,
When
so
they
you're
don't
like,
pay you, there's no
screw
pressure.
you.
Yeah, screw
I'll
you.
do what I wanna
Do
do.
what you want. Yeah, I'm so happy.
So this got seen by some people, and then they were like, we're doing a show based on dance and dancers. That was my background. So I was like, come on, let's do it. So that's how it started.
That was
my
the
acting
first.
career. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, I'm hooked now. I can't. And in my Zoom TV, the crew had told me, you come back. If this doesn't work out for you, just come back.
Your
It's
job's
okay.
here.
Your job's here.
Yeah.
So I was like, great, this is fantastic. But I never went back.
But then you just galloped after that.
Yeah, yeah.
Doing
I just
different
I was
things.
having too much fun. I think because I was a dancer, so there was an expressive side to me. So I was just happy, like getting to express more by acting. So it's fantastic. Good
But then,
fun.
what was the first big thing you did?
It was
Was
a
it a
television
feature?
show.
Television show.
show. I did a lot of television, but I was just a little. I was very mindful of what I'm doing, and I didn't want to be doing Saas Bahu things. Although I did do a show, but it was too ahead of its time. It was called Maryada. It was on Star Plus. It used to come late night. It had stuff like it talked about being gay in a family where you're going to get married to someone else. It
Did you
spoke
see
about
my expression?
Yeah.
Let's not say anything. We get into trouble.
Then it spoke about like molestation or people having extramarital affairs and how women are suppressed in Haryana.
So real life.
Real life.
we never
and
see
then
on
my
TV,
character
yeah.
is this torchbearer of
Oh, you're
you know,
the-
feminism.
you're the activist.
Yeah, I'm the young kid who's like, no. So it was nice, that show was a little ahead
So your
of its
parents were
time.
interfering in what you did, checking.
No. They were
doing
just
that.
happy that she's like being dignified and doing, not going crazy with
Yeah.
what she wants to do.
Yeah.
They were just. My dad was wondering. He was like, 1 second. He actually did say, he's like, you went to study. We thought you'll come back.
Yeah.
What the hell happened? Now you want to be an actor? And I was like, yeah, that was. I mean, this was not the plan, but the plan was never to come back.
Really?
Yeah.
So when you left, Delhi, you didn't want to come back?
I didn't want to go back.
I love going home.
No, I love going home.
No, I know. So you don't want to go permanently back.
I didn't want to go back.
I
like
that's not to
Bombay.
do with becoming an actor. That's just independence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the spirit of
Yeah.
Mumbai
Really?
got to me. Yeah, now it's different.
Yeah.
Now
bro.
it's like
For us, the grass is green on the other side always. No, everybody says nice things. I had cousins growing up, loved Mumbai and all that. I don't know what they were talking about. You'd be like, what are they talking
no,
about?
Bombay was great when it was. I think
Bombay's still
Bombay.
great in patches.
Yeah, in
But
patches.
every
now
day it
it's-
brings you down also. No? There's something
Yeah.
or the other.
I mean, now the constructions only. We are going to be buried in the construction.
Yeah, and our AQI will overtake Delhi. What is Delhi? Delhi are coming for you. Don't worry.
Yeah. Delhi is just lucky. It's
And
wide.
India is a capital of incomplete infrastructure. we are world record holders.
I was watching an interview of Raveena Tandon yesterday where she's talking about how I don't want to. It's from the 90s, and she's talking about how I don't want to buy big cars because itne bade gaddhe hain. And I'm like, it's not changed.
Not changed.
She's like, there's so much pollution, there's so many cars, and itne gaddhe hain ki what's the point of buying a big car? And I'm like, nothing has changed.
But luckily she has the money to buy a plane now, so she
I
can
mean,
fly.
she should.
But the funny part is the rain spots are the same also. Like in my area, I can tell you exactly where the 10 spots where the rain is going to come.
That's why my friend could
Yeah.
tell me, don't go there, there's a
Yeah.
gadda there because it's been there
But
since 20 years.
See how cynical our society is. That is now part of our culture. You should know.
You should
in
know.
your ilaka ki
Yeah. How can you not know?
How can you
Yeah.
not know?
Yeah.
And then obviously you use the knowledge of your friends when you go somewhere further up.
Yeah,
because they will
like
know.
when you're stuck in a flood, you
Yeah.
know, floods which happen
Yeah,
because
yeah.
there's no drainage,
So
but
she-
that's fine.
And there's drainage, it just doesn't
It's-
work.
It doesn't work.
Yeah, for various reasons.
Drainage
Yeah.
is the sea.
Yeah. Well,
It's pulling in and giving you
that's
back.
the ultimate drain, yeah. Fair enough. Well, let's get back to your career. So, then OTT also started.
Yeah.
You've done everything.
I
You've done
did
TV,
everything.
OTT, films.
Yeah.
You've done big films also. Recently, you've done Jawan.
I did Jawan,
Yeah, for
yeah.
example.
I was in Jawan. I did a film called Sabarmati Report. I did a small film called Lakkad Bagga.
That was also a big film. Yeah.
Yes, Sabarmati
That you're the
Report.
lead, no?
Yeah,
Lakkad
yeah,
Bagga?
yeah. Sabarmati also was sort
Don't
of
say small film. There's no such thing as small film.
independent film.
That doesn't matter. That's just
It was a
budget.
great film,
Budget's
though.
got nothing to do with the film's
Yeah,
quality.
great film.
I'm saying this from our podcast because quality is really bad.
It's not bad.
It's horrible. We've taken it on Bhada. I take all this back home with me. You think they want this? Who's going to keep Kunal's cartoon face, caricature here? What kind of... how narcissistic can the host be? Just do... And his sinus is so big and the says is so small. I mean, I can't explain it. You're a psychiatrist
fine.
or you're a psychologist.
I'm a psychology
So-
student.
Student, but you have some understanding of the of
Yeah.
psychology.
I do. Like I'm telling you, I went into this reality show and I am ready to meet
talking
a
about 50
psychology
now?
student.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
I'm ready to meet a psychology student and write a thesis.
Did you talk to your friends like that?
The
Did you-
producers actually told me when you say did you talk to, they said, Riddhi, you're talking too much to yourself.
Allowed?
Allowed.
Like the cameras are catching you talking to
yeah,
yourself.
they're like, you talk too much to yourself. Can you talk
You
to
know,
other people?
that's a sign of great intelligence.
That's
It's also,
great.
some people think it's madness, but it's great
Madness.
intelligence. Those people who talk to themselves are supposed to be highly motivated and are able to. I also talk to myself.
That's, yeah, of
Yeah.
course, I'm sure you,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
do.
I enjoy myself the most. I'm sorry this sounds sexual and perverse, but that's also true.
And I was just feeling like, my God, these people are watching me. You know,
But
so
this is a childhood habit. It's not something you couldn't have started talking because of 50.
No.
So
No,
you
no,
always
it's me.
you talk yourself.
It's me.
It's like a motivational. You're your own life coach.
yeah.
And you're chatting.
Yeah. So he's like, you're not talking to other
What would
people
you
because
say?
you're resolving things on your own.
What would you say?
Like, I would just be like, okay, so this is what happened. Okay, this is how it went. And, like, you know, just make sense of, analyze a situation and move on. Like, I don't need to talk to
Did
anybody
you
else.
fight with anyone?
I didn't fight with anyone.
Did anyone try to fight with you?
Yeah. People are fighting with me even right now.
Means?
Outside, you know, so funny. People
Post
have
the
come
show.
out and they're continuing the reality show.
Oh, I thought
which
they
I'm
all put on-
finding very amusing.
Very amusing.
I'm like loving it. I'm loving
Isn't
this.
it like an avatar they put on mostly, especially the ones who overact?
You know,
think
so there was this girl in the house, and I swear
Names?
to God, I don't want anyone to
Dhunda
fight with
padega.
me. I don't want
Search.
anyone to fight with me.
Yeah.
So I don't want to name anyone. But she would wear makeup, and she would be a fighter. And the moment she would remove makeup at night, she would be such a sweet girl, and I would tell her that this is the girl I like.
One sec.
Can you just remain like this?
I think I'm married to this girl. I know who this girl is. It's exactly the same story. Yeah. And she's my wife's a Gemini on top of that. So they just switched completely like nothing happened.
Oh,
You
hats
know,
off to
they
you.
just shot somebody twice and then 15 minutes later, they said, watch a movie.
What's your sun sign?
My beta ya me?
Oh, what's your zodiac sign?
Smart Alec. I'm a Leo.
Oh, you're a
Yeah,
Leo.
yeah. What are you
Wow.
making faces? Don't make faces. We're the nicest.
Yeah, very nice. My
We're full of
parents are
ourselves.
Leos.
There you go.
Both my
Yeah,
parents.
so you have loud people in the house. What's
Yeah,
the big deal? It's like, yeah,
exactly.
not the worst thing. No, there are much worse things. Yeah. So you have two loud people and you talk to yourself. Your house must have been fun.
And my
Imagine-
brothers also. Me
imagine-
and my brother both are Virgos. So we are like analytical people
Yeah.
going crazy in that house.
Zomato would go mad, na? Ring the bell, and everybody's talking. She's talking to nobody. This is her. There's a loud voice, a dad screaming from somewhere. We can't see him.
I have actually seen the show and I'm like, oh my God, I can't believe they put this. And people are like, you know, you were in a reality show. They have to put stuff. I said, no, but I was just talking to myself. Or I was just talking to, you know, someone randomly. How can they put this up? This is personal.
So who did you make friends with?
crazy.
You said you had 2 or 3 friends.
Yeah, I made friends with this actor Yuvika Chaudhary. She's married to Prince Narula, if you know him.
He won.
He didn't win.
No, that
he
Shiv guy
gave a
won.
great reality show twist.
Yeah.
In semi-finale, he got the ticket to finale, and he was like,
I won't do it.
"I'm not doing it. I'm giving it to my brother." So,
Wow.
and
That's
then the
nice.
brother won.
Yeah.
Like boom.
And then shared the money?
So this show didn't have money for us.
Huh. So what did you do it for?
We did it like we
Oh,
got
per
a
week thing.
yeah, we got
No,
that.
But what the incentive to stay then after some time?
Exactly.
They should have a big prize, I would think.
So people thought that I'm not really participating, but I was like, no one's attacking me. No one's picking on me. Why should I fight?
Also, I
Let
think-
me just chill out.
No,
Enjoy the
and
food.
people, Aam Aadmi thinks, you know, oh, you're too intelligent for the show. I can understand that. I think that's the wrong thinking completely. No one's too intelligent for the show. It's just that after some time, it is a little infantile.
You know, I was actually, you have to hear this. I
Yeah.
was actually like, so there are these people who've done reality shows, okay?
Yeah.
Why have we jumped to reality show? We should go back, right? We were talking about something else.
We'll
But we'll talk
finish
about
this
it.
and
Yeah,
then we'll come back.
finish
We have time. We
Okay.
have 15 minutes.
Okay. So there's this game happening, and everyone has like they've decided what they want to do. They want to put some person in danger. Now there's acting happening. Everyone's like, this guy who never reacts, you know, he's never loud. Suddenly he's like angry. Prince is like, I'm not doing this. So I'm going to everybody like.
That's damn odd when they behave like
I'm
that.
going to everybody feeling like, what happened? So I'm
Yeah.
like, are you okay? Are you okay? And they're still acting. So I'm like, oh, you're doing reality TV acting. Carry on.
But you're right. I had the same experience. Suddenly the guy's angry about his kuch gir gaya floor pe and all. It's, 0 to 100 happened. There was
Yeah.
It made no sense.
And
was like,
I feel like if I'm standing there and I have no reaction, I have no reaction because I know what they're doing. I know that they're doing this for camera. But the audience is seeing me as, look at her, she's so
Yeah.
cold.
Yeah.
So I have walked away from so many points, so many places.
I totally understand what you're saying.
Because I was like, oh, she's
it's
moved.
unreal. It's
She's
like-
gone to 80.
really.
Let's go from here.
Yeah.
Enjoy
How?
yourself.
The person is just like putting on a performance. Can't people tell?
People can't
Yeah.
tell.
It's sad, but you
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
But also, like you said, they seem to be really nice, and then suddenly they go berserk and then they're nice again.
Yeah.
So guys, come on.
Yeah,
There's
It's amazing. I got a lot to learn. Like, it was a great learning.
But you know, I think it's still a good experience. You have that in your head.
Fantastic
And you survived a lot of people living in a space as an adult, which is not easy. It's one thing when you're a teenager and young kid and all that.
Yeah.
It's another thing when you're an adult.
Yeah.
God, I wanted to go back and hug my family, and I don't even like my family. I was just thinking, you know, I miss them so much. You know, they all.
But you stayed for long. How long were you
I
inside?
stayed for, I think, 24 days.
Oh.
I was there, yeah.
Oh, that's
Then
lesser
got
than
out.
me.
Yeah. That's enough.
Yeah.
It was enough. No, there were good moments also.
Right.
Like Pooja, you know,
Yeah.
Falak and all that. They're all nice men. The women were all nice. The men were okay. I had no problem with anyone really. But after some time, this whole acting thing was like Salman would be talking.
And then you can't even call it out. You can't even be like, oh, I know what you're doing.
No, you can't because they are immersed in the competitive
yes,
spirit of what they're doing.
You know,
so they're not listening.
Yeah, they're not listening.
Yeah.
So once this girl was crying, okay, she was like going hysterical, crying, and I thought she's going to have a nervous breakdown. She's also done reality shows, and I just was like, I can't. We were eating lunch, and that's when this was happening. I said, this is crazy. This person can't be screaming, and look at all of us. Like, we're enjoying our chicken and, you know, salad and everything. I said, I can't. So I went and I hugged her, and I literally told her, I said, don't think I'm eating your footage. You continue crying.
You said it loud?
I said it to her. They've cut it. It's not there. Me saying this to her.
Sad. Yeah.
But I had to tell her because I didn't want her to fight with me.
Yeah.
I just went to give her a hug because I thought she's reaching out to all of us. You know, she was going to everybody and crying to everyone about what had happened to her. And I was like, wo sab to theek hai, but you will lose your shit. So I'm literally like sitting there hugging her, and I'm like, you take facing. You please say what you want to
How
say.
sweet.
But let me just give you a hug
Facing
right
the
now.
cameras, you know where all the cameras are properly?
Yeah, but I don't, I'm hugging her. So I don't want to cover her face.
that
no?
way. Okay.
It's only
Yeah.
camera has to capture the face if the face
So
is
then after you turn around and say, take two. She does it again. Yeah.
And she continued. Like,
What's the girl's name?
no, come on.
I
But people know who I'm talking about.
No, but you're saying that bit
'Cause
where you're telling her that bit should have been captured.
Yeah.
See, then I really enjoy the show.
nothing they've kept. I was so funny, I think, but they kept nothing.
But this anger burst, I agree with you totally. Sometimes you're like, what?
Yeah, what?
Kyun? There's
Yeah.
no logic to it.
And
you
now
know?
people are asking me, what do you have to say? You know, this one has said this about you. I'm like, the show's over. There was a plywood set. It's broken.
Yeah.
Don't get so attached.
Did they ask you the question of strategy? This is the word they use, the word strategy.
Strategy, yeah.
आपका strategy क्या है?
मेरा
I'm
strategy.
like, अभी this is Iran-Israel war going on. I mean, what strategy are we talking about? I
Yeah,
don't know.
yeah.
There's some people sitting in a house.
Oh
That's it.
man.
Yeah.
I've had too much fun in the house with my friends about this. That what is our strategy? No strategy.
So before we have to get back to your career quickly. So who are the friends and who are the ones you know who are enemies still? Why are they enemies still?
No.
We have no
One
enemies.
of my friends became my enemy.
Why?
I don't know because I don't know. I mean, she saw something in an episode and she thought instead of calling my friend directly, let me go to the media. Let me talk to the media and discuss it with them. That would be.
She felt you criticized her.
Yeah, she felt I said something behind her back, but she's.
It's not behind her back if it's on public domain.
It's
Behind her back
exactly.
का मतलब
And I
कि
actually did speak to
she
her
doesn't
first.
know.
They've just not shown it.
Yeah.
I mean, whatever. It's not important because
What's her
it's
name?
all.
Why can you tell us? We can find out if we try
Come
hard.
on, yeah,
Sure.
forget it. It's not important.
We'll bring peace.
A lot of people have said a lot of things, but you know, and people are asking me, this one has said this about you. What do you have to say? And I'm like, it's all in the game. Forget it.
Really?
They were also acting out of a game. They are like this as people, you think. I mean, I need to make my boundaries. That's another thing. But they were all playing a game. Everyone did whatever they had to for survival. Yeah, come on.
Yeah, I think if you want to really get into these shows, you have to play this game and do this double acting, which a person who's in a real frame of mind can't understand and empathize with. Because
I
you know
mean,
what you're doing.
people can't empathize
Yeah.
with you, but I could totally, I was enjoying myself. I really had a
I
good
get what
time.
it's almost like you're watching a picture in picture, no?
Yes.
You're like, from outside you're watching inside because they're just behaving and you're like, what's going
Yeah,
on?
yes. I was actually like, oh my God, I've seen all of them on my TV screen because a lot of them have done reality shows. So I was feeling like, should not watch too many reality shows. You might end up in one.
Were the guys nicer than the girls? Or the girls nicer than the guys? or no such thing?
No such thing.
Yeah.
I think the guys were equally nice to me. The girls were also very nice to me. Some of them were not because I was getting some attention
Also, as
from
the weeks
somewhere and
went by.
everything.
Yeah.
It was hot and cold, you know. Some days they were good. I think it was the pressure of the game. You know, if the game is bothering you, if you're feeling like I need to have people to back me or this and that, then everyone was just doing their own thing. Like
Yeah.
Krishna Shroff was there. I was really fond of her. She was my bedmate. But
Did
she
you
was,
ask her the big question?
which is,
This is Aadhaar card say tiger.
there were lots of jokes constantly being cracked, and she was
Not
a good
happy.
sport. No,
Yeah.
she was a good sport. So yeah, I think everyone was good only. It was such a tough thing. 26 days, every day one person is getting eliminated. So you're like going through, so many emotions. I can understand what
People cried?
people cried. Yeah. But I
Was
don't
it
know what
genuine
was
crying or not?
God knows.
After
The
some time.
genuine crying never happened on camera.
Yeah.
Everything genuine was happening somewhere else. Me and my friend Yuvika, we actually would talk so much stuff when the cameras were not on us. Like we are sitting in like
But aren't they recording non-stop though?
yeah, the mics are on.
So the audio
but
is there.
there's no camera, and then we are both telling each other, wait, this
How
is
do
a
you know
good
there's
point.
no camera?
Because there was a room.
Oh, they gave you a
No, they
safety
didn't
room.
give. They didn't give us a safety
Then?
room. We just chose a room. Like a changing room where there are no cameras.
Oh, okay.
So we would just sit there
Okay.
and chat if we wanted to. We knew we were.
Remember to keep a camera in the changing room.
No, excuse me.
But just, try
Yeah.
not to change.
And
while
we
you're
used
changing
to
room.
wonder, do you think there are cameras here? Are
I
they
know.
like sick or something?
You never know, no?
So
It might be in your contract, you didn't see it.
So we were such idiots
Hmm.
at being gamers. We would talk about such amazing stuff that, this person is acting like this, they are doing this, this is what their psychology must be. And I'm like, wait, hold on, we need to talk this outside. So nothing.
No, but this is like therapy, na? So I used to do
Yeah,
this with
it's
Pooja.
like therapy.
Pooja and I would get up early. Everybody else was really young and would get up later. So we would chat in the morning. We'd discuss people's behavior and all. It was so much fun.
They never showed it.
No, there was a live feed, so that whoever was awake
Oh,
at 6
right,
in the
there
morning
was a
was
live
listening,
feed.
whatever. But we would chat because the same thing, exactly what you were saying, was
Yeah.
like, something. Why is everybody angry?
Yeah.
The incident doesn't match the anger.
Exactly.
Why such over the top behavior?
Yeah.
And that's not his personality. He's not like that. We
Yeah.
spend enough time with him. We can see what he's really like.
Like people were actually like, like someone asked me, someone did this for strategy.
Hmm.
So, but what was wrong? I said, it's a game. What is he meant to do? What are we meant to do over there? Like, if we play a game, that's a problem. Don't play a game, that's a problem.
Hmm.
Chill out, enjoy the show and move on.
All our chess champions, they don't get this kind of questioning. Caucasian gang, nobody asks them all these
Yeah,
questions.
when you bang the...
Yeah, no, when they play serious game, nobody's asking them about their strategy where they can actually talk about it. You're on a reality show. People are killing time.
Yeah,
You're just
yeah.
passing time,
Yeah,
literally.
yeah.
And I think people have got this message because of the early big bosses that the louder they are, the more they'll be attracted.
the first 3 days there were fights. Okay,
Yeah.
they were like men, testosterone high,
Yeah,
everyone's
yeah,
fighting with
yeah.
each other. Eventually, they had to be told
Yeah.
by the team
Yeah.
to like zip it. This is not that show. We do not want you guys to fight. Can we please just have a civil show?
But if they were fighting, why did they have to zip it?
Because it was going
What kind of
crazy.
fighting
They
were they
were
doing?
they were fighting. They were
Oh,
throwing things
okay.
off. There are guests in the house. The
Did they-
poor
did they-
girls are also
did
like
they
getting
pu- did
squished.
somebody punch somebody at least? Was there any physical?
Yeah.
So then they keep them in the show. They don't throw them out.
No. So they took a call. Like the second time they took a call, and then
Yeah.
once they gave people ultimatum that okay,
Yeah.
if you do it the next time, you're out.
Did the girls hit each other?
No, the girls didn't hit each other, but they were quite. I think
Aggressive.
the girls were just like it was literally like society. Like they were just so aware that the men are putting us in danger all the time. They were doing that a lot. They would have 3 girls here, 3 girls there, and then when the game is over and you had a choice of who you want to put in danger to be eliminated, it would be the girls.
Wow.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
It was insane. And that's when suddenly the few
Girl
of us.
power. Were you in charge of the girl power?
I mean, everyone was because it's a reality show, remember?
Yeah.
So if one person says it, oh, it's a great idea. This is a great tangent. I want to be seen doing this. So someone else is like, girl power, girl power, girl power. And I'm like, yeah, do it. So it was, but what I figured is like, let's just look out for each other because they are going to constantly keep putting us in, the bottom and chucking us out.
So who came second? Is there a second or just the first?
Yeah, I mean,
Shiv
it was the
came first.
Shiv came first and
Runner-up?
Faizu. Faizu was close
I think
in
Faizu wants to
time.
come on our show.
Yeah, sweet guy.
Nice guy?
Sweet guy. Like really pure-hearted, sweet, simple. I thought he was like me, but just better.
This is what Riddhi thinks of herself. Sweet girl, simple,
Yes,
soft.
that's what I think of myself.
Humanity flowing from every
Yes,
pore.
yes. But he was just a far better performer.
Yeah.
His
Oh, he-
calisthenics was like
He was acting.
no performer as in like he was a very like a player, like a player in the
Played the
arena,
game.
in the game.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
he was very good. He was physically like super fit and amazing. So yeah, great guy. He was second, and there was Krishna who went into the finale.
Oh, wow.
And there's a singer Kakaji. I don't know if you know of him. What a fantastic
Every
guy.
song.
You do?
No. So I'll never come on our show. See what you've done.
Fun guy to
Yeah,
talk to.
yeah.
Too much fun to talk
Kaka ji,
to.
please come. I'll listen.
Yeah. And his name is Kaka, but he says, no, you have to call me Kaka Ji.
Ji.
I like,
Kaka, unless you're Parsi, is not a name.
yeah, I'm sure his name is something else, but he calls himself Kaka
Kaka's
Ji.
uncle.
If you call me Ji, I feel like I'm loved. You love me.
You put an L, make him Kalka Ji.
Yeah,
Back
which
in
is
Delhi.
in Delhi, yeah.
Simple.
Thank you.
All right, we'll run out of time so quickly now. Let's get back to your career. So
career.
then film features also started.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I did
we
OTT.
got the features, yeah.
I did OTT. I
reality.
did. Yeah. Reality.
You've done everything.
Yeah.
What do you want to call it? See, Khatron Ke Khiladi is what? I don't want to call it.
I mean, it's a reality
It is,
show,
no?
but
it's
not
a competitive.
captive. It's a
It's a
competitive.
physical
yeah.
competition. So it's different, yeah.
Yeah, it's different.
Yeah.
It's
There's
different.
some physical skill involved.
Yeah,
in
it's
all
12 hours shoot.
Yeah.
I look at it like that.
No, and it's skill involved because you have to
Yes.
do that task.
Yeah.
Literally, there's some sort of, it's a
Yeah.
skill thingy.
Yeah.
While the 50 and all is basically,
Big
it's like
Boss,
a social
50, they're
experiment
like-
thing where you have to
social
manage.
experiment. Oh my God.
Yeah. You got to
Yeah.
literally just be calm. I think that's the only way to
That's
do
the
those
only
shows.
thing. And just don't get attached to
Yeah,
anything.
yeah, exactly. You detach yourself, you're okay.
Yeah.
It's all
And
right.
then it's fun.
And
then
keep
it's
thinking
like,
of, home or whatever.
I was only thinking of food because we
Yeah.
had great food.
Yeah.
So I was just
So lucky, yeah.
Yeah, we were. We had salad and the best chicken and like mutton. I mean, vegetarian food.
Yeah.
Lovely food.
For vegetarian food, go to Big Boss.
Oh.
It took away all the meat.
Oh yeah.
And eggs and everything else. Yeah, it was very
Oh.
hard. And once they took away the bathroom, so we had the boys were given a separate bathroom because women refused to share. So there was fair enough.
Fair, yeah.
But then when they took away one bathroom, we all had to share. Bro, that was not easy.
That must have
And me and Pooja were cleaning the bathroom.
Oh
Yeah.
no.
And the girls fought over, I remember this thing, sanitary pads being left behind or something.
Yeah,
The
that
girls fought
happens.
amongst themselves over that in a bitter way.
Oh my God.
Like, how dare you leave it behind? I think just a genuine mistake, but okay,
Yeah,
fair
yeah.
enough. Shouldn't have done it. But
Everything goes a little.
yeah,
High.
out of whack, the anger didn't match it. I mean, could have happened.
I was laughing most of the time.
Yeah.
And then people are like, look at her, she's so cunning.
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm just feeling like, okay, it's heightened.
Because you're like Dhoni figure, you're calm when everybody else is going berserk.
I love that.
Yeah. So, but they don't know you're calm because you just can't live with yourself. You have to
Yeah,
just
but most of the time, I mean, I was like this.
yeah.
Like my mostly that's how I'm sitting because I'm trying to keep my eyes open.
Yeah. You ever thought of your other worlds for a second? Maybe I should have done that mass comm and become event manager. What am
I would
doing
be
there?
managing all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, listen, we're running out of time.
Coming back.
Come
Are we
back to your
going
career. Yeah,
back?
Yeah, please.
Should we go back to your career? I want to
My
know
career
about
is-
yours.
The highlight is that one day I fell in love and then the girl left. There's nothing more to
That's
it.
your highlight is you've done some great shows and given a lot of wacky kids like me a lot of like
Only thing is
we
we
resonate with you.
I got to spend time with wacky kids like you and pass time in some boring event. And of course, I met you in Dubai, which I'll not forget.
Oh
And
yes,
some
where
other-
you completely ignored me.
I didn't ignore you.
Yeah, you did.
You were busy
The
on
star
the phone.
that you are.
Riddhi, you know how she talks. You
Icon.
watch the podcast.
Icon that
Was
he is. He just was like,
Me and my manager Costa was trying to find her a restaurant.
Yeah.
That's all we were doing, and fighting.
Which
and
was
she
next
was
to the
walking
gym.
up and down, talking really loudly to somebody, and there was a
Always
stylist
loud.
or PR person standing next to you, and you were in your tracks.
yeah. I was
Yeah.
coming out of the gym.
And your hair was totally different. Like, come
Yeah,
on.
yeah,
So
yeah.
I didn't want to stare because she's obviously a very pretty woman.
I was not
And
looking pretty.
I'm in my 50s, so I don't want to stare because the next thing there'll be a lawsuit. So I don't stare. He was staring. Hey, check it out. He was doing all
It's
that
not a
rubbish.
reality show. I'm not going hysterical.
then-
Lawsuit.
No, Baba. we're
Zero
just-
to lawsuit.
Bro, I know I have to be careful. I have to be very careful. The world has changed. And otherwise, when we were young, we would do like that.
Okay.
She's walking up and down. We're all staring at her, and it's all normal. Now we can't do that. So I said, avoid eye contact. So that's it.
Yeah.
And then, of course, she being.
And I was like, hey.
Yeah.
Hey, hello.
Put me in my place immediately. Yes, you don't remember me. And then we start all over again. Now I have to make eye contact. I have to look and all that.
Yes. The
it was
first
fun.
time I think I've spoken to you.
No, we had done that event.
That's like,
Yeah.
I mean, you know.
No, but how else you pass time? It's like Big Boss or 50 or
Yeah.
whatever. You have to pass time,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So you
But
have
it's
to find some
fun.
like-minded person to chat with.
Yeah,
And this
yeah.
guy doesn't talk, yeah. He burps a lot
He's
and makes
so
facial
funny.
sounds like, Riddhi, so you're Arun Jaitley's niece. Straight to the point. And you must say, what do you do with that information? You're like, do you want someone put in a school or college?
Yeah, I
Should
do.
I make a call?
Yeah,
What do you want?
yeah.
Yeah. So tell my Arun Jaitley story. So we did some event, and he was walking at the Oberoi in Mumbai, and we were walking towards the lobby. So I said, let me meet you for a second. Met him on stage. We can't talk on stage. We're
Yeah.
giving things and all that. So I said, hello. And he stopped and he said, hello, nice day. And I said, sir, will you come on our show? We want you on our show. He said, so he laughed and said, no, I watched the show. I like the show. The week that wasn't. But it's not for me. So then as he was walking by, just cheeky, I said, so who's funnier, me or Kapil Sharma? So he turned around and said, you in a heartbeat. But he was also a lawyer.
He would have loved, yeah. He would have been great on your show,
Yeah,
actually.
I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic human being. I mean, he had like this Xerox memory.
Yeah.
He would read about 20 newspapers
could-
in a day. Like, just see them, he would know exactly what's where. I think that's,
Yeah.
just one of the
Also,
things.
Last of those very well-read politicians. Now, it seems like the next breed, as you get the younger ones coming in, not necessarily into
it's
education
all
and
a-
reading and
Now it's all a mishmash. I
Yeah.
don't know what's happening to the world.
True.
Forget.
God, yeah, we can't even insult India anymore because
Yeah.
we are better.
We don't know what's
We're
going to
almost a
happen
better
when we
country now,
step
yeah.
out of here.
Oof.
God.
Where do we go? Yeah. I can't go to Thailand. The massages cost too much now.
Yeah.
Because of the LPG issues.
Yes.
The domino effect.
Yeah,
No,
yeah.
come on, everything's going to...
Everything is going crazy right now.
So we'll charge more for 50. Okay, before we run out of time, what's on the plate now? What are you
What's
doing?
on the plate? There's Asur 3.
Oh wow, we didn't talk about that.
Yes, let's
That's
talk about
big.
it.
Asur 1, Asur 2,
Yes,
which is
with Arshad.
Arshad. Yeah.
Yes.
Quickly.
Asur is great. It's a great franchise. There's a writer, producer, Gaurav Shukla, who is mad. I think he's Asur himself because he writes all that stuff. I don't know where he comes up with. And right now he's rewriting for Asur 3. We're going to go on floor.
And it's very
hopefully.
tough with a scary thriller, crimey thing.
Mytho.
Yeah, to make it to come
think
back
it's-
with stories, because it's
but it's all in his head. He's a madman.
yeah, but you have to
He's
scare people
crazy.
also. You have to keep us involved.
When
so.
we see the scenes, we're like, you're crazy. You are the real Asur. You're eating everybody
he's a
up.
violent person.
Inside.
The opposite.
But he looks like, so he's
God,
really.
he is the part.
Yes, he
Yeah.
is
Put him in
that.
50, no?
Yeah.
Then it'll change. There'll be one missing body.
Such people don't reveal themselves.
Yeah.
They will keep hiding.
So what you mean? What are you then?
What am I?
Because you appear to be really nice and all that, and actually you're a psycho.
No, I am a psycho.
Are you a psycho?
Yeah, I'm
Is she
a
a psycho?
complete psycho. She wouldn't know.
She's PR. She's
Yeah.
trained to say nice
Yeah,
things.
yeah.
They're like Miss India without the makeup.
I'm a complete psycho. Why else would I do the stuff I did? I would not go to a reality show.
No, that's
I
a
would
bit
not-
fearless. That's
I
not
play
psycho.
Shah Rukh's mother. Who
Yeah.
does these things?
Yeah.
Like, nobody.
That, again, I'm saying there's more sense of fearlessness. That's not necessarily psycho. There's a line between that.
Yeah,
Being
okay.
courageous and being crazy.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I would say.
Have you
okay,
hurt
chalo, I'm
anyone?
Courageous. I've not hurt anyone. I
Have you
can't.
physically violated someone, kicked them in the groin
No.
for no reason,
Oh, I
especially
wish
a
I
really
did.
old lady? Like, hello, auntie, cut!
No. I'm
That's
not.
psycho.
I'm not psycho.
Well, I've done that.
Lovely.
On Wednesday. No, I'm just kidding.
So happy to hear that.
So 3 is coming out now.
Yeah, 3 is
You
not
started
coming
shooting?
out. We will shoot. It's being written right now.
Right.
It's being rewritten. So we'll go on floor soon. And
But the cast chemistry must be getting better and better when you do these things, no?
actually, it's more. I mean, season 2 we were all away from each other. Like Arshad was shooting away, and I was with Barun Sopti. I think you've met Barun.
Yeah.
Fun guy. He's a family friend. So Barun and I were like just having fun, and we were doing 3 projects back to back. One was a romantic show, one was Asur. So we were finding it so weirdly difficult to like. कल हमने रोमांस किया है, आज हम यहाँ फोरेंसिक की बात कर रहे हैं कि इस बॉडी में इस लंग
But they
को.
don't go linear
I mean, who's they?
when you shoot.
No, I mean when you're shooting projects
Yeah.
together, so then you have schedules. So 10 days you're shooting something else, and then like that I'm saying.
Oh, okay.
Not linear in the
simultaneously different.
yeah,
project.
you're doing
Okay,
different
okay,
projects.
All right.
And so yeah, it's fun. But I mean, the cast and all of us, we're like family. Everyone's like.
It's like 50 where everybody's happy. Yeah. You don't have to know.
So
Meeting the
50
same
where
people.
everyone's happy.
Yeah.
I think 50 also everyone was happy. They were just doing dramatics like for
The
camera.
The narrative is out there. If you get on a reality show like that, you have to behave loud and dramatic.
I
And,
can't get
yeah.
over it. Suddenly it's like I'm talking to you, and suddenly someone's just walking in, and
Screaming
she's
in the back,
fine.
yeah.
She's fine.
Yeah.
But the moment she says, "Oh, they are talking," they're not looking at me. You don't. I'm like, why are you going into hip hop?
I know we're discussing this again.
What
but I
happened?
still can't get my head around how they don't know how stupid they look.
They
When they
don't.
go from 0 to 100 and there's no reason. Somebody's napkin fell down and the guy is
Yeah.
screaming, "Tune touch kiya?" And all that. What?
Yeah.
It's not like in a Mumbai local, breaking
yeah.
into a fight.
Oh, it's,
ridiculous.
yeah. It's exactly like that. Mumbai local breaking into fights. But
Unbelievable.
good fun. Good
Yeah.
fun. To
Anyway,
be part of that.
I'm aging. The show is over. She's got dubbing to do. For what?
I've just done a travel show.
Oh wow! You look at we haven't discussed your career at all. We've just been rambling. We'll come back and talk about your career. So, what's the travel show?
I just shot
Can you talk
for
about
Nat
it?
Geo. Yeah. For
Oh,
Nat
wow.
Geo, I went to Hong Kong.
This your
to-
parents will like.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they will love it.
My daughter Nat Geo.
Yes.
Your daughter Sasbong.
So we went to Saudi last
So obviously
year.
shot before this thing happened.
No, immediately after this.
What?
Yeah, I came out and in 4 days I was in Hong Kong, and
The war was
just
on?
shot it. The war?
No, this skirmish in Iran and all.
Yes.
But you're on this
It
side.
was
You're on
on,
this side.
and people were very worried that I am traveling. But
No, so
I
you're only
was
shooting
just-
the east.
Yeah,
Okay.
I was in Hong Kong.
No, everything was in Hong Kong.
Yeah,
Oh, so
yeah.
much,
It was the Hong Kong tourism and all of
Nice,
that,
nice,
Nat
nice,
Geo.
nice.
So it was good fun. For 10 days I was there. And it's so funny. We reached there. The sun decided, no, I don't want any tourism. There was no sun. And till the day we left, there was no sun. And on the day we were leaving,
Don't you have a weather
sunny.
report before
yeah,
you shoot?
so the weather report, the guy, Bill, he just kept telling us every day there'll be sun today, It's in the forecast. I said, you're like the Indian weather department.
Bill is Indian, it looks like.
Yeah,
He
he's
just makes it
Australian,
up.
but he's
Yeah,
like...
he's Australian only by race.
Yeah.
He's got that Indianness about
I
him.
said, do you know what's happening with you?
In fact, he's like a Delhi guy, so positive, right? Ho jayega.
Ah.
Ho jayega. Hua. Consider hua.
And then the day we were leaving from my hotel room, I opened my windows and my curtains, and it's sun, as if like, get out, guys. I don't need you to promote me.
So when do we get to see the show? What is the
It's
show
coming
called?
on. It's coming on, I think, in the next week or so. Next week or
Name?
something. It's called Postcards from Hong Kong.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, and how many episodes will there be?
I think there'll be just 4. We did Saudi. That was longer. That was 6, 7.
Saudi also same style?
Yeah, that was Postcards from
And
Saudi.
it's really modernizing, I'm told, of
What?
late.
And so we went into this whole thing of going into the inner world, like like the silence in Hong Kong, the not so chaotic places, the not so bustling places also. So we did both.
Against the stereotype.
Yeah.
So-
We did both.
Saudi also you've done?
Yeah, Saudi also we did. And
So
that
what is
time
it? You dressing up and all that not an issue?
No. They did want. There were restrictions,
Huh.
but they're like, if you're a tourist, we're okay with it, which is not true.
What does that mean?
Like they're okay with you wearing a sleeveless top or something if you're a tourist, like if
Right.
you're not from Saudi. But I was wearing a crop top once, and I was in a very nice fancy hotel, and not from the guys, but one of the girls has eyed me like,
Employee,
no, she was a guest.
guest.
She was in a burqa.
And she said, don't wear that.
No, she just like looked at me like I was like, okay, I need to cover myself up. This is very scary. So what they want to promote. Saudi wants to promote themselves to be now. Yeah.
He
but-
was modernizing very quickly in the last
yeah,
year or two.
They are.
Yeah.
That's what we were
What
trying
is the
to
next
show to
country?
the
I know
world.
this is a bad time, geopolitics being what it is, but
Prague.
Czech Republic.
I think so, but
That's
now
supposed to be the
we'll
most
see.
beautiful part of the world.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a great show. I'm going to watch this show.
Yes, please
Yeah,
do.
What fun. And you're the only anchor?
I'm the only anchor.
If
It's
they
just
want
me.
somebody else, but I'm too old, yeah.
Why? You're not. You'll be.
Czech Republic
You'll
kaun
be
jayega?
the show.
Yeah. No, I talk too much. You talk too much. Who's going to listen to Prague? Not a word mentioned of the city. You've gone and covered it. Kuch bola nahi. No. She's telling me about her reality show
I
experience.
don't know what we've done actually.
Yeah, exactly. Your time is 1 hour left. Oh shit, it's very long. We have to stop here.
No, we can't.
So this question was in my head for years. How's it like working with Shah Rukh Khan in Jawan?
Oh man, it was crazy.
And does he ask you for tips?
Yeah.
Like,
He's
"Batao."
so good.
Yeah.
He's so good.
He's
What a
he's
guy.
great people person, no? You know that I handle everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He was handling everyone. He was so kind and so generous. The director's telling me what to do, how to give my line, and he's actually like, "Main batata hu tujhe." He wrote it down for me. Take a pause here. This is what he wants. Who does that? Nobody does
Yeah.
that.
But when you say generous, they should then give 50% of their money also. But for me, generosity is that halfway mark.
And I was feeling totally pathetic because I was sitting in prosthetics. I was playing his mother.
Yeah, playing, yeah.
I was just like, it's just pointless.
Nobody brought that up, no?
I don't even
I'm
know.
only 30-something and...
I didn't even want to talk. Like,
Yeah.
I was like, what do I say now? Like, what's the point? Why am I even here? There's a song sequence, he and Nayantara. At least, like, can we make her look older? Me, because I'm in the frame with Shah Rukh, and they're like,
But see,
it's not working.
This is at least genius. He's making you feel good about yourself because he's saying you're so young looking. It's we cast wrong
At least
casting.
genius.
Yeah.
At least genius. But he did tell me, he said, this is wrong casting, but it's for effect. I want people to wonder. I want people to be like, why? That's the whole point.
But to be out there are some women who age very gracefully.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's possible that kids actually, you say, oh, is that your brother? It has happened. I've seen that. So there are people.
I don't want him to be my brother or my son.
I know. Yeah, whatever. But I'm just saying it's not genetically impossible.
But he's a fantastic guy. I mean,
Yeah.
working with Shah Rukh, although I'm not done, I feel like I want to work.
Are you in touch
properly.
with him now?
I'm not in touch with him.
We call him and tell him to come on the show. I've been trying, but he just won't pick up the
I'll
phone.
tell his manager. I'll tell
No, we don't even know who the manager is.
Pooja.
Forget Pooja. We go outside Manat and start shouting. Then they tell me he doesn't live here anymore.
How
He's gone.
can you don't need to tell him? He'll happily do it with you. I'm sure.
No.
What are you saying? I think you should just take your setup. Just go to his house,
I
set
think,
it up.
I think Shah Rukh picks up the phone himself and says, "साहब नहीं है, वो साहब अभी बात में है, बाद में phone करो." I feel it's him. I feel I'm getting fooled.
I genuinely am telling you, just take your setup, go into his building. People are not going to stop you
But
when
you know,
you
when we
enter.
were in MTV
And then you set up. One day he'll come and he'll like, oh, Cyrus, you're here. Chal, let's start.
It's exactly what you said is what we used to do at MTV. We just make sure we got his interview. We literally go to Mehboob studio or come to Manat. Yeah, we had to
I know
do
him
that.
so well.
And his people would tell us, just keep it at Mehboob, otherwise he won't come. And otherwise come to Manat, but it'll take some time because we don't know what time he'll come here.
He'll
or
come
there.
whenever he does.
But the great thing is he was always very nice once he comes. You can't even say, boss, 3 hours I've been waiting and all this.
You know, I think the reason he's so nice is because I think he's got the theatre background. I feel because when he was a
I think he's a
kid,
people person. He's just good with people.
Yeah,
because he's
but
good with light boys, spot boys.
that's what
Everybody.
I
He's
mean,
not-
I'm talking about on
Yeah,
set.
on
good.
set, on
that
set.
He like so good because
Yeah.
at some point you'll stop. You'll grow. You'll evolve. You'll be like, okay, I'm done with that. But he's never done with
He's
that.
got the common touch, no? He
Yeah.
doesn't let go of the common touch.
Yeah,
That's
yeah,
a good
yeah.
gift to have as
So
you
good.
become.
Yeah.
If I ever become like a king, I'm going to keep the common touch.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
are a king because Cyrus says so.
What is the other question? Quickly.
She's laughing when I said you're a king.
What?
In favorite Instagram influencer.
You want to answer that?
You.
Do you have a favorite Instagram influencer?
High five.
High five.
Always high five,
Oh.
no low five. I
What's the low
don't
five?
care about Instagram and like I'm not interested in seeing who's influenced. Nobody's influencing me.
No, but
De-influence. Sorry? 2.4.
wow, you don't care about Instagram. You corrected her immediately. You sound like my wife, man. My wife has started doing that, but people started recognizing from our stupid reels that we do, and all the time, I don't do this, I want to do this, I want to do this. And now slowly, telling us stories about how she's been recognized. I can see the vanity coming out.
Why? Yeah, it's okay. You
But you
accept
can't have both.
what's happening
This is like
to you.
the 50. You decide which avatar you're in. This is ridiculous. Yeah. So 2.4 million. As we speak, it's going up to 2.5 million.
That's
Yeah,
right.
Yeah.
I don't
Insta.
know. I'll have to do another
But
reality
do you have
show.
Do you like any Insta? I mean, do you
What
follow?
is
Who do you
happening?
follow?
I don't even know what do you say? What does that mean?
Yeah.
Instagram influencer.
I don't know. I like dogs and things like
I'll
that.
tell
so
you who
love
I
to
like.
watch
There
a
was
lot of
this
that.
one girl
Yeah.
who wore a jacket and she was talking to camera and she's like, this Zara jacket I bought, I love it. I went and I bought it. So I guess that girl.
But you don't know the name of the girl. So you were just influenced by
was
what happened.
some American.
But so you're not following her. You just
No, I just saw it
Yeah.
and she was like praising this jacket like, she
American.
was going crazy.
Was it Priyanka Chopra?
No, it was not. It was no.
Is she American?
It was just some girl who was very excited about clothes.
But you like that outfit?
And I bought it
But you because of her energy or because of
because
the
of
outfit?
her enery.
Oh.
But
so
I also love
you
that
got sold
jacket.
then.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I think that's my favorite Instagram influencer because she made me buy
Fair
something.
answer. We both lost interest in the question anyway. We tried.
We
Anything
tried. No, nothing. I think my tough. You're not asking also.
Well, I have two voices. I have a female voice.
People are going to be like, is Riddhi reading his mind or something?
Watch. My question is.
What was your toughest role or the exciting
What
That
is your
sound
toughest
like-
role for ever
that you played?
that you played?
No, I've not had a tough role as yet because every role I do, you prep for it.
Yeah.
Not supposed to be tough.
I think people psych themselves out with this question. Like
Also,
that-
I mean, I've not played a crazy.
Nice.
Maybe if I play a psycho, somebody who's like from another world that I don't understand.
Yeah.
I'm yet to play something like that, and I'm looking for. I want to play something that's so deeply layered that I'm screwed.
Yeah.
Like, how will I
Or
do
you can't
it?
relate to the role, so you have to do it
Oh,
really
yeah.
work like 50. You have to pretend
Yeah.
to be mean and angry.
Yeah,
which is
yeah,
after
yeah.
sometimes
But
it's
I
ridiculous.
didn't.
That's what.
If
no?
I was playing a part, I think I would
Yeah.
have.
Yeah.
Ki 26 days, let me just be something
How
I'm
can you be
not.
angry for 26 days over petty things?
I was not angry in anything. You know, there was this game where we had this big foam, like something, okay? We had, what do you call it? Foam band. Foam rod. It was a rod, but foam.
Yeah.
And we had to fight with each other. Now I'm finding it so funny. And it's supposed to be competitive and we're supposed to like win it and you know all of that. And there's Krishna opposite me. I'm only apologizing to her. I'm hitting her and I'm like, sorry.
Was she
I'm so
competitive?
sorry. She was. I mean, she played with my mind.
No.
She's like, let her. So we had to hold a bowl and there's water in it and you have to make sure your water stays.
Oh.
And you fight the other one and drop their water. So she just made sure that I get so excited that I'm just like, yee! My water's fallen.
So do you say your water broke? what do you? What's the line?
Oh, yeah. if
Oh,
you-
watch this show, man. Two girls are fighting. And someone's
You were
water
saving
broke.
eggs in your show. I was
I was begging. For me, it
your
was like
water was breaking.
It was exactly like dating girls. They just after some time look at you as a failure, and your best chance of a date is because they think you're a failure and they have to look after
They
you.
will look
because
after
you're
Yeah. They
you're
want project
you're
and
that
you're
runt
giving
in
them
the
that.
litter that has, yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Absolutely, the NGO feeling.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
But
And you just were like, okay, it's happening on national TV. Fine.
I was
Let's do
thank God I'm a duffer. Thank God, because you have to have a card, right?
Yeah,
you have to have some card.
some card.
That's
card.
important.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we've run out of
Yeah.
conversation. We
I
tried.
don't know what I again went back to. I'm just like mentally
No, that's-
wired to.
But I like podcasts where people just talk openly and don't follow scripts.
Yeah,
Otherwise, it
yeah.
becomes don't you think it becomes too like formal?
I
If
don't
just ask you 10
understand the
questions.
point of podcasts.
The point of podcast is to chat.
I don't understand. Yeah, exactly.
That's
like
it.
most people call you for podcast. I've stopped. I don't like to do podcasts because I don't think they're podcasts. Why? Because I think they're just interviews.
Yeah.
They're just sitting and talking to you.
And it's boring for us also to do it.
And what happens is you're going with the mindset that it's a podcast. So you're
Yeah.
like, I'll be open.
Yeah.
And then the other person is, they're not really participating in the
No, because
conversation.
they have fixed questions, they want to go back to them now. So there's no flow of organic
Yeah, so
conversation.
it's an
How will it be?
interview.
Yeah.
And
We should have an extension of what we did backstage at one of those events.
should.
It's the podcast.
Yeah.
You're just talking.
Yeah.
I mean, we discuss so many different things.
Yeah.
From
Yeah.
your royalty to your illustrious uncle to
Yes.
what you're doing to
Yes.
the weather. And that, for me, that's the podcast.
Yeah,
Why
yeah.
are we telling people this?
no, people
It's our
need to
secret.
know what a podcast is.
That's it.
Like either a podcast is that you have some expertise and you want to tell the world about it, or you have some information you want to give.
But even expertise, I mean, it's just organic. It should not be like, okay,
Yeah.
here are your 10 points, tell me. I mean, it's too
Yeah.
much, Come on.
Like here, the expertise is that I'm here to listen to Cyrus just.
No, we discussed
Faff.
you.
I'm
told
very
us
happy.
A lot of home truths about the what is it, two girls who don't talk to you now out after the 50.
No, everyone's talking.
So one girl,
Yeah.
she changed
Yeah,
afterwards.
she was my friend. And the way she's talking about me in media,
No, but you did
it's
an interview.
feeling like
No, but you did an interview where you said something and then she got angry.
No, I said something in the show and she has taken it out of context because she knows exactly what happened.
But she exited the show happy, and then now why is she angry?
Exactly.
Makes
I met
sense.
her outside and I'm suddenly like and she's not even, it's not even that she's upset with me. She's hating on me.
Really?
Yeah, like hating on me. Like the language being used is like, weren't you my friend? I'm just wondering that when she's talking.
Like aggressive content.
Oh, she's called me जवान की बेटी. No, मुझे जवान की माँ बनने का शौक नहीं है. And I'm like, अरे यार,
Wow.
you have like,
That's still personal also, no?
yeah,
Unnecessary.
like what the hell, yaar?
Yeah.
Why are you doing this to our film? But ठीक है, promote Jawan. Because the moment you see that,
There's
people
also
start playing
jealousy. There's a
Jawan
bit of
songs.
jealousy because that's like a top tier film, etc., etc.
It's very weird.
So what's her name? Now let's out
Come
her.
on, yeah. I mean, I've said so much. People are going to write in your comments.
But now, how do I find out where she's told
You don't need to
it's on
find
Insta?
out. Yeah, you don't need Cyrus.
Where's the
Cyrus,
trolling?
please, Cyrus. I beg
But
of you. You don't need this in your
We'll
life.
call her and get her side of the story. Oh, we are a very fair podcast.
Yeah. Okay. Enjoy yourself.
You'll tell me after the cameras stop.
Yeah, I'll show you.
What do you reply?
No, I'll show you the video.
She's made a video.
Like the interview.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my God.
It's an interview that
Okay,
she's
let's see
given.
it.
Not right now. We'll
Okay,
just
okay.
show-
Wow.
I'll show later, okay, guys?
All right.
Because
And then we'll show you.
I don't want him to give his review. You know,
Yeah.
people give reviews
Yeah,
while
yeah.
watching
4
content.
stars. Must watch this video. Yeah. I think we're done. Thank you so much.
We have gone all over the place.
It's okay.
And it's been great. Thank you so
Freewheeling
much for
conversation.
having me.
And now you get to go to do your dubbing.
Yes, thank
Where is
you so
it?
much. It's the person is coming home.
Oh.
So I have to go back home.
Wow.
Yeah.
They call it dubbing. We should call it affair. So what were you humming?
Check. Nothing. I was just humming some. मेरी आवाज तो ठीक है ना for this podcast.
This
Like that.
podcast is great. But I like the way you're checking our sound and upsetting my Canadian.
Yeah, very happy to upset people.
He's from Canada, the
Go
sound,
for
the
it.
sound guy.
Oh.
Yeah. This is what typical Canadian looks like.
Nice.
way, yeah.
I would not know. Yeah. So good to know.
But now I think there's some criminal issue there, and so we have to come back to
That's
India.
great. What a story.
Yeah. Shall we talk to him?
Yeah,
You come
let's-
back later.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.